Hi guys, basically today, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing with tack. It's so hard. Oh, it's so satisfying. And just listening to a video of just showing the blue tack. A bit random, but I just got bored, so yeah. And it's blue tack. So yeah, bye guys, make sure to subscribe. What are you looking at me for, Mom? You're recording me, aren't you? Okay. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up.